time travel, the idea of traversing through time has captivated humans for centuries. From ancient myths of sorcerers who could turn back time to modern-day sci-fi epics, our obsession with time travel seems endless. But what if this fascination isn't just a product of our imagination, but a glimpse into the very fabric of reality? What if the universe itself is sending us signals that time travel not only can be possible, but already exists? Throughout history, tales of time travelers have echoed across cultures. In ancient Greece, the myth of King Midas, who famously turned everything he touched into gold, also possessed an ability to rewind time, undoing his missteps and restoring balance to his life. Similarly, the Hindu epic Mahabharata describes a character named Amber who, after being wronged by her father, embarks on a journey back in time to alter events and seek revenge. These stories, passed down through generations, suggest a deep human desire to control time, to rewrite mistakes and experience life's moments anew. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we find H.G. Wells, whose novel The Time Machine introduced a fictional device that allowed its user to travel through time. This literary masterpiece not only gave us one of the most iconic depictions of a time traveler, but also laid the foundation for the genre of science fiction. Since then, the concept of time travel has permeated popular culture. Movies like Back to the Future and Interstellar have left audiences pondering the possibilities of time manipulation, and TV shows such as Doctor Who and Timeless have kept the flame of time travel alive, captivating viewers with intricate plots and the promise of adventure through time. But the question remains, are these stories nothing more than imaginative escapes, or do they hold a deeper truth? Could time travel be more than a figment of our collective consciousness? To understand the possibility of time travel, we must first delve into the nature of time itself. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time, demonstrating that it is not absolute but relative to the observer. This means that time can be affected by factors such as gravity and speed. In fact, according to Einstein's equations, time is intertwined with space, forming a four-dimensional continuum known as spacetime. Now let's introduce another mind-bending concept, that of wormholes. These hypothetical tunnels could connect to distant points in spacetime, allowing for the possibility of traveling between different eras. While wormholes remain theoretical, their inclusion in physics equations as solutions lends them an air of credibility. Moreover, the discovery of quasars and pulsars, celestial objects with incredibly strong gravitational fields, has opened up new avenues for exploring time travel. These exotic objects warp spacetime around them, creating conditions that could facilitate time travel. Some physicists even speculate that within the intense environment of black holes lies a gateway to the past, a region known as the chronology protection conjecture. This brings us to the heart of the matter. Can we harness these cosmic phenomena to develop a time machine? The answer, surprisingly, might be yes. Scientists have proposed various methods for time travel, including the construction of a wormhole, the manipulation of a black hole's event horizon, or the creation of a closed time-like curve using a particle accelerator. Each of these methods pushes the boundaries of current technology and our understanding of physics. But they also provide glimpses into a future where time travel may no longer be confined to the realm of science fiction. However, the path to building a time machine is fraught with challenges. Not only do we need to solve the complex equations and overcome technological hurdles, but we also need to contend with the paradoxes inherent in time travel. The classic example is the grandfather paradox, which asks what would happen if someone went back in time and killed their own grandfather before their parent was born. This creates a logical conundrum, as if the grandfather were dead, the parent wouldn't exist, which means the time traveler wouldn't have been born either. There are various theories attempting to resolve such paradoxes, including the Novikov self-consistency principle, which suggests that the universe would somehow ensure that time travelers don't interfere with the timeline. But the question of how the universe would achieve this consistency remains a fascinating area of debate among scientists and philosophers alike. Another intriguing aspect of time travel is the concept of multiple universes or parallel timelines. This idea proposes that every time a significant event occurs, such as the death of a grandparent, the universe splits into two, creating alternate realities where different outcomes unfold. In this scenario, the time traveler could inadvertently create a new timeline by altering the past, essentially traveling to a parallel universe where the consequences of their actions are confined. While the multiple universes theory is highly speculative, it offers a compelling solution to the grandfather paradox and to other time travel dilemmas. But the potential implications of time travel extend far beyond solving theoretical physics problems. It could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. By traveling through time, we could observe the universe in its earliest stages, gaining insights into the Big Bang and the formation of galaxies. Similarly, exploring the distant future could reveal the ultimate fate of the universe, whether it expands forever or collapses in on itself. Such discoveries would not only push the boundaries of scientific knowledge, but could also reshape our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Moreover, the ability to travel through time would have profound implications for humanity as a whole. Imagine the possibilities for historical research if we could observe key events firsthand or speak to influential figures from the past. Time travel could bring history to life, allowing us to witness the evolution of our world in a way that is both humbling and inspiring. Additionally, the potential for healing historical wounds through time travel is immense. By understanding the events that have shaped our world and the motivations of those involved, we could gain valuable insights into conflict and strive to create a better future. Of course, such endeavors come with ethical considerations. The idea of altering past events, even with noble intentions, raises questions about the potential consequences and the right to change the course of history. Striking a balance between exploring the past and preserving its integrity would be a challenge that time travelers would need to carefully consider. As we stand on the precipice of what might be possible, it's essential to remember that the quest for time travel is not merely a technological challenge. It's a journey into the heart of human curiosity. Our fascination with time began with our earliest ancestors who looked up at the stars and wondered about the nature of existence. Time travel ignites our imagination and compels us to push the boundaries of what we once thought possible. So is time travel nothing more than a figment of our imagination, or will it become a reality? The answer, as with many things in science, lies somewhere between imagination and reality. While the laws of physics suggest that time travel is theoretically possible, the practical challenges and paradoxes remain formidable. However, the human spirit of exploration and discovery has always pushed us to pursue the unknown. Who are we to say where that curiosity might lead us next? The concept of time travel has permeated our culture so deeply that it has become a staple of science fiction. But what if the line between fiction and reality is blurring? What if the fictional time machines we've dreamed up are actually hiding in plain sight? Join me in my next video, where we lions uncover the shocking truth behind time machines that may already exist. Are you ready to rewrite your understanding of time itself? Don't miss out on this mind-blowing revelation. Click now to subscribe and get a notification. The secret history of time machines awaits.